with unique utensils, foods and cooking rituals. The Indian kitchen makes demands that European drawers and organizers just can't meet. For the unique needs of the contemporary Indian kitchen, we at Godrej have created a premium kitchen storage experience. Presenting SKIDO, a premium range of slim ergo drawers and universal organizers that brings design innovation, intelligence and elegance to Indian kitchen storage. Created after intense research into Indian kitchen habits, the SKIDO premium range consists of slim ergo drawers and universal organizers, which can also be used with any existing kitchen drawer. Available in 3 heights, the slim ergo drawers bring strength, convenience and good looks to your kitchen. These drawers also come with rails. No more messy cutlery drawers. With the universal cutlery organizer, you now get a neatly arranged, easy-to-use space. The movable flaps let you customize the storage of your cutlery of all shapes and sizes. The struggle to store odd-shaped cups with top space wastage is over. The Universal Cup and Saucer Organizer is a design innovation that can hold all sizes of cups while freeing up space for another cup tray on top. It also smartly creates some side space too. Untidily stored tin and steel containers are a thing of the past. With the Universal Container Organizer that has special sliding flaps which let you choose an arrangement that suits your needs. Say goodbye to clutter with the Universal Jars and Bottles Organizer that lets you neatly arrange your smaller jars and bottles, ensuring the smart utilization of top space. The utter mess of different sized plates all stacked differently is easily solved by the Universal Thali Organizer. Just move its special yellow separators to get an elegant arrangement of your plates and thalis of all sizes. It's time you could store frying pans without space wastage and accidental chipping. Now you can with the Universal Fry Pan Organizer. Your pans are stacked intelligently while actually creating extra storage space. Storing woks and kadhais can be so inconvenient. Not with the Universal Wok and Kadhai Organizer. Its design intelligence ensures easy use and efficient space utilization. Truly, the SKIDO premium range of slim ergo drawers and universal organizers is an evolved design solution for the Indian kitchen. It is flexible to suit your needs. It creates space. It increases your productivity. It saves you time and energy, making your kitchen into an arena of evolved design, convenience and elegance. SKIDO, Smart Kitchen Drawers and Organizers from Godrej.